Alexa, show me the front door.
Okay.
Alexa, stop. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to install this Ring Video Doorbell. I have the first generation. I have this specific model which is being shown right now, but it probably applies to the other models too. So the Ring Video Doorbell first generation is only 720p, and the good thing about it is that it does what it's supposed to do. The bad things about it is it does not allow any RTSP stream or local video recording. It has to be always through a cloud subscription, and that's the bad part. It's really bad that I'm thinking of changing it because of that only. So the subscription, it costs around $30 a year, but why would they do that? Like, if anybody is having their own local storage, let them just record from it. I'm not sure why they went to this decision. Probably to upsell to their cloud services. But if you got this video doorbell, I'm gonna show you how to install it, and especially in the UAE, how to make it probably get installed with the hardwiring using a step-down voltage transformer and a resistor and all the wiring required. I will show that, and also I'll show you how to install it on your wall without any drilling required using a UK to US adapter that I've printed, and I've shared its source file in Thingiverse. The link is on the video description. And also I'll show you how to integrate it with Home Assistant, which is pretty straightforward there. But if you're still going to decide for a video doorbell for your home, you're better off with the Amcrest. Don't buy the Ring Video Doorbell. This one has an RTSP stream, it's full HD, and it's much better than the Ring Video Doorbell in case you don't want to get tied to their cloud services. So go for this one. There was a prime offer. These two pieces were just around $70, so it was an amazing offer actually. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is, I think, the 720p version. So there's some instructions. Say hello to Ring. What's in there? Some user manual and the device itself. The back plate. So I have to check with the multimeter if it's 8 to 20 volt to 24 volt AC. Okay, I'll check that. What else is there? What's in the box? Diode planning to wire in. Okay, I'll check the doorbell. Some diode is there. What else is in the box? Nice. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, nice. It's good to keep everything in one box to install the doorbell. That's a good gesture from Ring. Let's see. Hopefully it's easy to install. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna unscrew my existing doorbell. I'm I'm going to check how many volts are these. So I just checked my video doorbell, my current doorbell switch. It's running on 220 volts. So I'll need a transformer to run it. So I connected it with USB now, just to set it up for the first time. And I'll see what I need to do for the doorbell button outside the home. So I've showed you my current doorbell, which is there and very common for most of the apartments, especially in the UAE and Middle East in general. So the current doorbell that I have at home, it's using line voltage around 220 volts. So before we go into the transformer and resistor required, we will have to think about how to install the Ring video doorbell without drilling any holes in the wall, especially that wall does not belong to me. Most of us, we live in apartments that are for rent, so whatever is outside there, you're not allowed to drill any holes or do any changes outside your home, of course. So what the solution for that is just to print an adapter. So this adapter was created to convert the UK shape of the wall socket into a US socket. So we can put the plate of Ring video doorbell and then the video doorbell device itself. And you'll notice there is it's a bit thick and there is a hole inside. This is on purpose to fit the transformer and resistor inside. So let's print it and continue with the installation. So here I've screwed it in. Now I'll screw in the Ring doorbell. And I just disconnected the old button and kept it inside, so later I'll use it for connecting to a transformer. Screwed in the bracket, the back plate of the doorbell. Now I'll screw in the doorbell itself. So now I've screwed in the doorbell itself. Night mode seems to be activated and it's on battery. Hopefully when I get the transformer I'll show you how to install it. So now I'm gonna try to hardwire the Ring doorbell to the mains. First I'm gonna try it on my desk, and once it works I'll do it in the wall socket. I've brought this transformer before, but I blew it up because it was very vague in its instructions. I don't know, the red ones, maybe they were the input, and I had to do a lot of testing to make it work, and unfortunately I connected the wrong wires and blew it up. It seems to work on two voltages, 110 volt to 120 volts, and there should be some combination of wires that will make it work on 220 or 240 volt and output it as 18 volt. And also there is another issue in this transformer that if I calculate 18 volt into 1 amp, so it will become 18 volt amps. So I don't think it's sufficient for the Ring doorbell. So as per instructions of Ring video doorbell, they said they want at least 20 volt amps. So what I did is I brought this transformer. It's a clean one, it's more straightforward. It says that the blue is the output, 24 volt 1 amp, so 24 volt amps, and the input is 230 volts, and it's the red one. So I like being pretty much straightforward. It also looks more clean and doesn't look like used. The one I brought before was from Sharjah, and it seems the seller didn't know what he's selling. Also, it was very difficult to deal with the sellers there in Sharjah. But when I went to Naif Street in Dubai, people there are more knowledgeable and they know what they are selling. And I found with them this transformer, plus I bought this metal resistor. I didn't find, as per Ring instructions, 25 ohms. I just found 33 ohms, but the same what rating of 50 watts, and I think it's fine because the higher the better, but it shouldn't be lower than 25. Now I'll try to wire it up and then I'll test it how it goes. Right, I was just working on the Ring video doorbell with the battery, and the battery life seems fine. Like I made it work for a couple of days and it was working on until now. It's like 98%. I don't know how they managed to make it that much efficient. Maybe it just turns on the camera when there is a motion or something, and plus the Wi-Fi also, but I suppose that will make some delays. So that's why I thought let's hardwire it. That's better. And I don't have to disconnect and reconnect it every time to charge it. Okay, so plan goes is I'll connect the input red wire to the mains, and then I'll connect one wire to the resistor, and then from the resistor to the Ring video doorbell. Okay, let's start doing that. So I've connected the mains to the transformer. Red is input, so just make sure you don't touch these wires in the output, and I'll try test the output with a multimeter. So turn it on. Okay, nothing seems to blow up this time, which is good. Let's see. Try to connect these wires and see the reading on the voltmeter or multimeter. I'll put it on the voltage. Okay. Okay, so output is 24.8 volt. Try it again. 25 volts, which is fine. I'll put the resistor in between also and test it out again. See with the resistor. Okay, so still 25 volts. Let's see the amp readings. So let me put it on AC amp, 200 milli, 10 amp. Okay, let's see amp reading. I think I have to connect the amp, 10 amp. Okay. Okay, let's see. .62 amps. I think that's why they want me to connect the resistor. I think before the transformer it should be 1 point something. So it was 4 amps. Okay, I think that's why they want me to connect the resistor to reduce the load. Okay, so the load is quite different before and after the resistor. I think that's to protect the ring video circuit, the ring doorbell circuit. So I'll just try to connect it to the ring video doorbell now and see how it goes. Now I'm gonna solder the wire to the resistor. I have a 0.6 mm solder wire. I think I need to. No, it's fine. It's just gonna be. Okay. So it's soldered well, I think. Soldered well from both sides. So I'll do the other side with another wire. So as per their video instruction, as per their instruction, it should be connected to the one on the left. The end which is connected to the resistor should be connected to the one on the left. So I'll connect it this way. Okay, secured well. Connect the other end. Okay, that's fine as long as they don't touch each other. It's fine. Okay. Now they are connected. I'll turn it on and see how it goes. I'll also check from the phone if it changes to hardwired or not. Bismillah. Now the moment of truth. I'll just turn on the mains and connect, or shall I first just attach the ring video doorbell, then turn on the mains? That would be much more safe, right? Okay, so it's all connected. Turn on the mains. Hopefully nothing will blow up. Okay, and ring LED is turning on. I hope there won't be any issues. Now I'll see from the ring app if it changes to hardwired or not. So it doesn't show up directly that it's changed to hardwired, but after you try to click on live view for a few times, it will realize that it changed to hardwired and show you that. So now it's on hardwired. Okay, now I'll put it back to the wall socket and hopefully everything will be fitting nice and well inside. One small trick. This is my old doorbell. It was 220 volts. I can't connect it with the ring video doorbell. I need a 24 volt doorbell. So I decided I'll just use Alexa as my notifier, and it's working pretty well. Whenever someone rings my door, it rings on Alexa and on the phones. So what I did, I just connected directly the wires. so that I can use the other wire like a closed circuit neutral wire to the Ring video doorbell wall switch. I've connected the wires outside, and the transformer, I'm gonna fit it inside the wall socket. And this is the doorbell backplate. I checked the voltage and it's 24. It's very hard to to just put the video and check the voltage. Yeah, it's very tricky. Okay, so it's basically 24. I'm gonna fit everything inside and put the Ring video doorbell on the wall. So I've shoved everything inside. It's not that tidy. I think this is insulated, and I'll just put the doorbell cover and then put the Ring doorbell inside. So I've put the Ring backplate and everything is shoved in the behind. So I'll just attach the Ring video doorbell. So now it's connected and hardwired. I don't need to disconnect it and recharge it anymore. Now the last part about Home Assistant, it's pretty straightforward actually. You need to go to Integration. I think it's inside Configuration on the left panel here. Integrations, and press on the plus sign here. Search for Ring. I already added it, so it's already there. You just need to enter your username and password for Ring, and then if you have two-factor authentication, just enter the two-factor authentication code, which will be sent by SMS or some other means maybe when they do it in the future. And that's it. It's connected already. Previously, when you needed to integrate with Ring, you had to add some configuration in the YAML file of your Home Assistant, on the configuration file of configuration.yaml file of Home Assistant. So right now it's just pretty straightforward through integration, probably because of the two-factor authentication, because just a simple username and password won't work anymore. That's it, and then you will find your Ring doorbell on the main homepage here. Already the elements are added for the video stream, which shows you the last ring or motion. And also there is a widget on the left which shows you the high level information of the sensors which are exposed to Ring. Also the integration with Alexa is once you add it into a Home Assistant, all these values are exposed to Alexa. You can do whatever you want with them, even to Node-RED. And regarding the integration with Alexa itself, it's just a skill. It's a Ring skill. You have to go and sign into Ring inside the Alexa app, and everything will work just fine. So whenever someone rings the doorbell directly, if you have a Alexa Echo Show, it will automatically ring in Alexa Auto Show or Echo Dot. But in Alexa Show, it will also show you the video stream directly whenever someone rings. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and hope to see you the next time.